Hi.
Hey there.
So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. So we're Govee. We make a ton of smart lighting, smart home tech. You can see here our home theater lights. Of course, we do all the color matching, but everyone's talking about AI. It's a big buzzword. But we're using that technology in really cool ways. So not only are we doing this color matching, but you'll see we can also tell, for example, when there's an explosion in what you're watching, and you see all the lights react to what it's doing. We're doing that for explosions and fireworks. We even know when there's gun shooting, and we can do different effects based on that. And again, this is a single TV light, backlight. There's no hub, there's no bridge. It all works together.
And you have some mood. You're showing the mood here in the bedroom.
Well, of course. Again, so in the living room, we're saying, how do visuals react with light? In this, we're doing how does sound react? So a lot of these, like we're
Is this a product you have?
Yeah, so this is a new one we're developing now. It's really cool. We're putting speakers into a lot of our lamps. So this lamp or a floor lamp. Yeah,
pixels in the lamp.
Yeah, well, this pixel light's really cool because we're putting generative content into our app. You'll literally be able to tell the pixel light, make a cute snow monster, and it will actually put that on the pixel light.
Nice. And what's happening in here?
So this is our Galaxy Projector Pro. So you have a really cool Galaxy projector. It has a white noise speaker built into it. It has swappable disc, so you can have constellations, you can have the moon, you can have galaxies. Again, one of our more how does sound and light react together.
Just for the child that wants to be an astronaut.
Sure, or
adult.
Or even an adult who comes home and really wants like a nice atmosphere, right?
Yeah.
Then, again, here's our gaming. So our gaming stuff, we do a lot of these lighting panels, which is our really creative stuff. Again, our pixel boards and everything, and we also do reactive lighting for the PC.
Nice.
So things like our light bars and backlights, a lot of that stuff. And the last thing is, of course, we have our Govee Life. So this is our brand new Life brand. But again, a lot of really cool products. We make a lot of really cool sensors.
What is this?
So ice maker.
Ice maker.
But the really cool thing is, for example, we make motion sensors. We even make a presence sensor now that knows when you're in a room. You can literally walk in the room, your ice maker turns on, your air purifier turns off, your gaming lights come on, your recessed lighting goes down. A lot of really cool ways you can do this automation.
With the energy costs going up, it's very important to have smart lights because actually these are much more pleasing, better for the eyes, and they consume much more energy.
They consume much less energy. But again, with some of our automations, you can schedule them. So especially your outdoor lights, you can have them only turning on at night, turning off automatically. We have everything from our smart string bulb lights to even our curtain lights that go indoors and outdoors.
What is
really
the
cool
light
These are our curtain lights. So you can literally have really cool scenes. You can have text going across them. We've had people use them indoors, in kid bedrooms, in streaming rooms, and even on garage doors outside to do really cool stuff.
So your slogan, lights can be fun.
Yeah, and the last thing I'll show you, our permanent outdoor lights, which are going across the top here, have been going amazing, especially this past holiday. Everyone wants lighting on the outside of their home. But yeah, we really do it all, but we do it really well.
How many millions of lights do you sell? Are you a big company?
We sell a ton. We do all this outdoor and indoor lighting. We've grown at a huge amount, both on Amazon and our own website and retailers, and now we have distribution worldwide.
And the prices are good for all these lights?
Yeah, we make this all ourselves. We have our own factory, so that means we control the materials, we control the quality, we can control the cost. So yeah, we're very competitive, and we're giving people really smart lighting in home, very affordable prices.
Made in Shenzhen?
Yes, we have a factory there. It's our own factory, so again, we control all the stuff that's made, control how it is, the materials, and the quality. Thank you.